gone down to a C or even a stop, a D for a little moment, onto it.
Yeah.
Again, you're always ready here, thinking of the width. Yes, and I can't go any slower than this in this gear.
Yeah.
It's not brilliantly flexible, but I don't need first, do I?
No.
You see where I'm coming from?
Yes, I do.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, sound. Try a right turn up at the end, so you can already assess that it's a grade C.
Yeah.
Is the white one going to be an issue?
Oh, very clever.
She's saying what to me?
Yeah, she was. Yeah.
So, clutch down, gently brake.
Gently brake.
More brake.
More brake.
Look at me.
Three.
Look right, look left, look right, Ash. Now decide.
Okay.
This video is sponsored by Private Internet Access.
Arrangement from Credit Fix could help.
Are you a part of the I don't have to let you out brigade, or do you try and help flow for everyone? Watch the car to my right side.
5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Credit Fix could help you to a brighter financial future. Just text DEBT to 66777. Text DEBT to 66777 now. Terms apply. Better suitable for all kind of their credit rating. Free advice on moneyhelp.org.uk. Get that Euro Millions feeling with this Friday's £109 million super jackpot. So super, you've got to dance. So let's dance like never before. On a beach, on your own private island. Euro Millions from the National Lottery. Play on app. Estimated jackpot. Subject to currency fluctuations. Account terms, rules and procedures apply. Players must be 18 or over. I've just sold my car.
Jesus, I'm close for that. That's why you don't go belting up to lights. You know, go for a 20-minute walk in the morning before you start.
Yeah.
Fence master, driving, a little bit of a problem.
Yeah.
He'll go through that as well, won't he?
Yeah.
He's on his phone as well.
I wasn't sure he was on his phone or smoking. One or the other.
He was on his phone.
Before we go any further, I'd just like to have a quick word about today's video sponsor, PIA VPN. A VPN is a virtual private network that hides your IP address and safeguards your internet connection through an encrypted tunnel. Whenever you connect to the internet on a public Wi-Fi network at airports, coffee shops, friends' houses, or even at your own home, your data is at risk of being stolen. Hackers that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network have the ability to steal your personal data with ease, including sensitive information, such as passwords, keystrokes, and even your photos. There are also many other benefits of using a VPN. Some popular websites block or restrict users from other regions from content. Many sports events have regional blackouts and are only available within certain regions, and some online deals are cheaper when purchasing in different regions, such as clothes, flights, and games. PIA VPN has servers in 84 countries and in every state in the US, so with only one click of a button you can change your IP, gain more access to content than ever before, and stay safe and secure. Private Internet Access is available for all platforms, and you can use one Private Internet Access subscription to protect an unlimited amount of devices all at the same time, and there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee with 24/7 customer support. By using my link you can grab an 86% discount on Private Internet Access. That's just £1.57 a month, and you'll also get 4 extra months completely for free. I'm really happy with my subscription to PIA VPN. It's easy to use, great value, and I know my data is always secure wherever I go.
overtaking at a crossing as well.
This is Merseyside Police's new mobile police station, and I've seen it quite a lot around lately. But I think it should have stopped at this amber light, and that's being generous, because it was a borderline red. This is the first frame where the amber light is shown, and as you can see, the mobile police station is well before this rock on the left. I think my face says it all.
Think we could have stopped there? I do.
I'd like to say a massive well done to Ryan, who passed his test in June. Remember, when I make things difficult, the test becomes easy.
Yes, good, perfect time for it. Good. Got that really well, mate. So we're taking the third exit, we're passing the first, and we're coming up to the second. So as our road splits, we don't want to go that way, we want to keep here. Just hold back of the lorry, hold back of the lorry, hold back of the lorry. But you shouldn't have steered right, you should have kept going past. Oh, just stay put now.
A terrible emerge from that lorry driver.
So you should have held back, because we need to be turning left. Yeah, good. Are things starting to sort of like piece together as well about how the job works and what you do? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you got any questions with it though? Is there anything that's sort of like on your mind? That's pretty poorly parked. What did we say about before?
Yeah.
Well, they're forcing.
No pedestrian space there at all.
Yeah, they're forcing, you know.
Nice on the corner as well. A good
It's
place.
a dangerous place to park, yeah, absolutely.
Keep an eye on this yellow car to the right, or more importantly, what's inside. I'm not actually sure whether this is illegal or not.
Yeah, I just didn't want to kill all the plans, mate, to be honest. This fella got a parrot on his shoulder behind. Have a look in this mirror.
Yeah.
He's got a parrot sitting on his shoulder. How good?
Lead. What's that parrot stance? Flipping out and flapping his wings.
Yeah, it's got a parrot sat on his shoulder. That's quality.
A little touch further we find ourselves in a queue, and that same driver of the yellow car gets involved with a car overtaking on these solid hatch markings.
It used to be about 36.
Right.
Yeah, it's 40 people per session, 2 sessions there on a weekend.
Yeah.
Well, that's not good.
Those people get impatient, don't they? You see the yellow fella, or the one parrot as well, trying to block him.
Yeah, I did notice that, yeah.
Oh yeah, but you know what I mean?
Surely all that's not safe coming out of the back of that.
Doesn't look that way, does it?
That's secure, is it?
Is it tied on the inside?
No.
Not, is it?
No.
megabits a second, powered by the UK's fastest 5G network. Fast. And at £20 a month with 3 months free, you can save a quick buck too. Liverpool, welcome to broadband.
Two movements lifting. So this bus is braking. It's probably because of its mirrors in relation to the other bus coming the other way. Yeah. Now, is it still slow, this bus? It's a learner. Don't catch, no. Because if you catch, you're leaving yourself less distance and less time to sort it. So where you were with this bus was perfect. What's the bus driver signalling right for?
Sort of in front of them.
Cyclists, we're not going to follow. It's a terrible overtake by that bus. Awful. That's a fail of the test if they're just there on test. It is as well, mate, that's terrible. We're going to give the cyclists more room. Keep it going, there's no one coming the other way. Anyone overtaking us? Good, we're okay, but just mindful of this road to the right. Should be ready to abandon. Just check it out and come back. Perfect. Alright. So not the giveaway. The giveaway tells you nothing. Hold back for this lady turning. Stop here. Stop earlier. Gives you a little bit more room to turn because it's such a tight one. And then budget forward again. That makes sense?
Yeah.
So just clutch down control with the brake until you're able to see. Alright?
Yeah.
What should we do with the cyclists going the other way?
Gonna let them come through because
I
that
think
cars.
so. So don't go more towards the curb. You do not need to. Because you're probably saying to people that you're going to park at the minute, and look at the white one behind. Do you understand?
Yeah. He's not happy.
Good. I think he's off his cake. Isn't he? Do you notice what I said about the white BMW that came past though?
No, I didn't even see it, to be honest, until it was gone.
You were tucking over to the left.
Yeah.
What does that really tell the car?
Go past.
Do you see where I'm coming from? So they shouldn't have done that, but I can sort of see what they did.
Yeah.
Right turn, please, Becky. It won't happen.
Yeah.
So if you find an opportunity where a vehicle's come the other way, make the most of it.
Okay.
Make sure one of you is crossing the path, because then you've got to push into
It's
this
a teaching
icon.
point,
It's
yeah.
a teaching point. So that's the reason why I changed the direction we were going to go.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah. Yeah.
Make a note on that one as well.
Yeah.
So, at a crossroad, if someone appears, cross their path so the pupil can learn from it. That scooter rider on his phone on YouTube.
It's my old school.
Is it?
And where I used to teach there as well, yeah.
Is it us or is it
It
pedestrians?
might be pedestrians.
It's pedestrians.
Yeah.
So again, you could put it into neutral,
Mm-hmm.
but we're not going to because they're not going to be that long. All right. I think that fella's just driven straight through that.
Yep.
Right? He did, didn't he?
I think so, yeah.
You
They
see
all
the
go
green
green,
men on
yeah.
him. He went straight through. Jesus. Okay.
In this final clip, we're going to be looking at the junction that we probably see more often than any other junction in my Drive and Fail series. And I'd like to ask you, what's your thoughts on that cyclist that's just on my left hand side? What is it about cyclists jumping red lights that gets motorists so triggered? Please have a little think about it and let me know what you think in the comments. Also, every clip in this episode was filmed on my VFO T130 dashcam. Please check out the links in the description, use the code AshleyNeil and save yourself a further 5%. Keep safe everyone, I'll see you soon.